Myself as a judge, well, I really got excited. I've learned about Sri Lankan culture, food. The performance that we've seen over the last 2 days was exceptional as the tea from Dilmah. We really had a good time. Some of the teams brought the culture of Sri Lanka, the various districts, onto the table, into the food, into the tea, married the tea with the food beautifully, taught me and taught the other judges something about the country and its culture and its traditions. What a great way to educate everybody. There is room for a beautiful afternoon tea with just traditional Sri Lankan food brought into the 21st century, like this competition was all about. Wish the competitors well in the future on their journey. And we certainly need to thank Dilmah for staging this great event together with the Guild of Sri Lanka.